What's up guys, welcome to the vlog game. Matty here. As always, if you're here for the first time, subscribe. Let's upload what we did. We put it bump it apart because yeah, we start with the bang match job, and I figure, you know what, since the truck is sitting, there's one thing I always want to do with this truck, which is change the seat belts for collar seat belts. If you guys follow me, I did that with the VAT, and I was like, you know what, since the truck is sitting, why not to do that with the truck, because it's gonna be sitting at least, I think, a week. Let's see how long that takes, which is not a big deal. I have my wife's car sitting there. I also have the Corvette that I can take out if I want to. That's what we're gonna do today. I will show you guys the VAT so you have an idea what I'm talking about. Here is the Corvette, right? So if you guys know, this is a C6 base Corvette that comes with a regular black seat belt. But what I did, I upgraded for red ones. Look at that. That's pretty much matches with the color of the car. So what do? And this is not sponsored by any means. You gotta remove the seat belts from the truck, which actually this truck has 4, right? Actually 5. We have, of course, the front ones, 1, 2, and the back ones. I'm not gonna be able to open the door, but we have the back ones. Don't look at them as, right? So what am I gonna do for now? I don't want to deal with the back ones for now. We're gonna do only the fronts and see how that's gonna look like. The first thing you need to do, because we are gonna deal with the airbags, we need to unplug the battery. There you go. And we do that because otherwise, you know, you're dealing with airbags, and that's not fun if the airbags decide to, you know, work. And I know I need to clean the engine bay again, but something here is gonna change. I don't know exactly what it is, but something is gonna change. All right, the seat belt is out. I did decide, like, taking my time. There's nothing on the internet, so I will show you exactly how we're gonna do the other side. Once you do the one side, and it's easy to remove the entire panel. The only thing I would say though, it's those clamps. See, those clamps, they are really hard to work with, but you guys gonna see it. This is going outside because the truck is gonna be apart for a while. I feel like it's part of cars everywhere down here. I'll do the other side. We're gonna need a T50, T45, a 7mm. Of course, those plastic tools, 10mm. That's it. If it's something else, I'll let you guys know, but I'll first remove that panel and we'll go from there. This one you don't need to remove, you just need to get like rid of a half. Now it's the most harder one, which is this one. What I'm using a couple of screwdrivers to hit those clamps, because they are very hard to, and I don't want to break them. Like, I push like this. Oh, this one came off. That's great. But if it doesn't, I would suggest to use the screwdriver like this one here, and you're gonna be able to see it, and you go with the screwdriver and then you kind of remove it and click it. See, I found this is the easiest way to do it. If you guys have any easier way to do, let me know. The same one, there's one on this side and one on this side, one here, and one here in the middle, and here it's a bolt. I'll show you. On top there is an airbag cover. I use a screwdriver, and there is a 7mm there. I know 7mm is so weird, but it is what it is. All right, here in the front, it's a T30. You just and the deal here is you gotta open this thing. I'll try to do it with one hand. Don't lose your bowl. See, you gotta open. Save that wash too. And once you put apart, you just, it's so hard to do with one hand though. All right, once you remove the bolt, this comes off, and that's it. What I do, I keep the bolt here so I don't lose it, but that's me. You can do whatever if you're more organized than I am. Now this entire thing should come off, so you fish this from here. Boom. You know, out. Now we have access to everything. Over here, it's this one. It's a little hard to take to get out. It is a T45. Of course, I'm gonna use my power tool because it's easier. And this one, it's really in there though. Don't be afraid to try to break free because this is a plastic kind of thing. You just pull and that thing should come off. I normally for the other side I use a screwdriver to break the free like this, and then you pull up. So what I'm gonna do, you see here, I'll explain to you guys exactly what you need to. There's another bolt here. This is the same T45. There is the same one, the T45, and then I will show you how to unplug the connection because that gave me a hard time. And over here there's a 10mm. Comes the fun part, which is the connector. And remember, it's very important to make sure the battery is not on, because otherwise you need to take this yellow part out, this, see, and then it's gonna come out, see, the yellow part to take out. And then there's like a metal bracket or kind of thing, I don't know the name of it. And there's this orange thing that you pull up. Actually, they should come, if you push forward, it should come off. Push forward, they should come off, and then your sensor, it's out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put everything back to the sensor so I don't lose it, because I'm pretty good in losing stuff though. So I'll leave like this for now, and we're gonna remove the seat belt itself. I like to put the bolts where they belong, so when I get the seat belts back, they will be, I know where they went, you know what I'm saying? But again, if you're more organized than I am. All right, here are the seat belts. So the bolts, the big bolts, they stay on the belt, right? And I'm gonna send this to safety restore. So, and then when the seat belt comes back, we're gonna do the reinstall. All right, boys, that will do. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. That will do for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. I will order. Normally take like 5 days to come back, and then we're gonna do the reinstall. So the color review is gonna be next video. You gotta wait. But again, I'll leave the link for our safety restore if you wanna wait to see the results before you do yours. That's fine too. I hope to see you guys next upload. The truck is apart though. I cannot wait to put this thing back together. I hope to see you guys next upload. As always, never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.